The jury is now deliberating in the federal hate crimes trial of three men convicted of murdering Ahmaud Arbery. News4JAX reporter Ann Maxwell was in the courthouse, I should say, today. And the jury heard closing arguments and then went right to start deliberating this afternoon.
Kent, yeah, the jury's been deliberating here at the federal courthouse since about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Arbery's parents haven't said much publicly today. They seem like they're really just ready to hear a verdict, although there were certainly some very emotional moments inside today with talk of the defendant's racist language in the past. Also, the body camera video showing Arbery bleeding in the street was also brought up again. As for these defendants, they're already sentenced to life in prison. If convicted on these federal charges, they could each face another life sentence. Nearly 2 years after three white men chased black jogger Ahmaud Arbery through the Satilla Shores neighborhood, a jury is tasked with determining why. After a week of arguments and testimony, Arbery's family members say they're ready for a resolution. His mother addressed reporters as court broke for lunch.
Very emotional. This has been very draining, and I'm thankful that it's almost over.
The government argued defendants Greg and Travis McMichael and their neighbor, Roddy Bryan, saw Arbery as subhuman, hunting him down like an animal and letting him bleed to death in the street without even trying to help. The prosecution claimed the defendants assumed Arbery was a criminal based on his skin color, not evidence. Defense attorneys claimed the government failed to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt, with the McMichaels attorneys claiming they were worried about Arbery trespassing in a neighborhood construction site and believing because of a gesture to his waistband that he may have been armed at one point. Bryan's attorney says his client joined the pursuit because of a reasonable assumption Arbery had done something wrong, a claim the government said was blatantly racist. In its final statement, the government used the defendants' racist words against them, saying they viewed Arbery as a subhuman savage, a monkey, a rat, an N-word who should have been put in the ground long ago. Minutes after the jury went into deliberation, Arbery's father, Marcus Arbery, says justice for Ahmaud would mean a guilty verdict.
The world see what happened, and the world see why Ahmaud died, because his skin color. All I can say, we just want justice, 100% justice. Justice for Ahmaud. Get the verdict.
The judge says the plan is for the jury to have at least until dinner time tonight to deliberate, coming back again tomorrow morning if need be. She says we'll get a 45 minutes heads up between when they reach a decision and when their verdict is announced. I've got our colleague Bree Isom also listening into the courtroom right now, so we'll bring you any breaking news as it comes. Live in Brunswick, Ann Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.